Okay, let's summarize everything that we've learned so far by creating like a small, more complex program. All right? Programs are just created by simply and very simply concatenating sequentially actions one after the other. So if you write a list of what you want the robot to do in sequence, in order, then the robot will, one at a time, execute all those actions as soon as it finishes executing the previous ones. All right? So we're going to create a very simple program where, starting from home, right, we're going to make the robot move somewhere here or here, all right? We're going to make it rotate to face that wall. We're going to make it move up, and then we're going to make it go back to a home position, all right? How do we do that? Well, we can prototype it in the console by just saying, well, let's try these things out. So first, I'm going to start with a transform, just to make sure that I specify all the values of everything. So I'm going to move somewhere here, so that's going to be transform 2, and then I'm going to move somewhere in like 700, minus 100, and 400, for example. And then I want to keep the orientation like this. So that's going to be negative x, so minus 1, 0, 0. And then y is going to be parallel to y. So that's going to be 0, 1, 0. All right? Well, it wasn't far enough here, but it's okay, 700. All right, next thing, I want to rotate and face that direction. That rotation, as we discussed before, is going to be around the y-axis, and because of the right-hand rule, negative. So that's going to be rotate relative to where we are, around the y-vector, 0, 1, 0, and minus 90 degrees. All right? So that works. Now I want to move up, move 0, 0, and for example 400, 300, because otherwise you're not going to see it. And then 400. And then, so we're going to move up, and once we get there, we're going to wait for 3 seconds. So Machina works in milliseconds, so that's 3,000 milliseconds. So we're just going to wait there. And then we're going to go back home, which, if you remember, for this robot is axis 2, and then it's 0, minus 90, minus 90, minus 90, 90, and 90 for the last two. And then we do that. All right, that is a simple program. We just prototyped it by trying it interactively, and we found out that so far it works, right? How could we... A common way of working with Machina could be, well, I found that these actions were the right ones in this program that I prototyped, so I can just like write things down here on a notepad, for example, like 700 minus 100, 400 minus 100, and then 010. Then I can get rotate 0, 1, 0, and then minus 90. I can move 0, 0, 400, so moving up. I'm going to wait for 2 seconds, so 2,000 milliseconds, and I'm going to go back home by setting the axis to 0, minus 90, minus 90, minus 90, and then 90 and 90. All right? And I have this program here in my notepad. I'm using Atom because I like that editor, but you can use Notepad, Word, whatever you want. And if I copy paste here, then now I can just all at once execute, send my whole block, my program, and then one at a time, all of those actions will be executed. So right now it's transforming, then it's going to rotate, and you can see the execution of this program here in the queue window. This is really slow. I should have added here something like speed 250, all right, for the next time. And then now it's going to move up 400 millimeters. Then it's going to wait for 2 seconds, and then it's going to go back home. Creating programs is just as simple as writing these actions one after the other on a notepad, on the console, with some other software, whatever you want. and then just copy pasting them here on and executing them real time. Now it's waiting for 2 seconds, and then it's going back home. Farther down in these video tutorials, I will show you ways of integrating other software and connecting directly to the bridge so that you can stream those programs from your favorite CAD software, for your favorite creative coding platform, you name it. We'll see this down the line.